10 to the power of 20 electrons passes from point A towards point B in 0.2 seconds. Calculate the current in amperes and give its direction. So first thing first, we have given. And the next thing is you guys have to do it on your own. Okay, till the point of calculation is what I want. Now let's look at what you guys have written and what is that I will be writing. So yes, sometimes even I can go wrong. That's not an issue, but yes, majority of the times I will be right. Okay, so now point A to point B, we have electrons moving. That's the basic idea. How many of them? 10 to the power of 20 of them in this direction, right? So basically n is equal to 10 to the power of 20. There's no unit. Within a time of fraction of time, that is 0.2 seconds. That's too less. So I'll rewrite this as 2 by 10, which can be written as 1 by 5 second. So we have the time, we have the number of electrons. Calculate the current. So we need to find E also, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19, which is 16 into 10 to the power of minus 20 coulomb of charge. So this is pretty much required for all the current questions. So it's better to write. Okay, now what is that we have to calculate? Current is what and direction of current is what. So the very first thing is formula. I is equal to Q by T. Right. We also need to use the formula Q is equal to N into E, because that's the only way we'll make use of N and E in this formula. So basically we will be using Q is equal to N into E by T. Right. This is, I mean, generally people remember this too. From this too, we can derive this out. It's very simple substitution, right? In place of Q, I'm putting N into E. Okay. Now pause and substitute and try to work out do the calculation. Again, calculation is also important. So this is N is 10 to the power of 20 into E is 16 into 10 to the power of minus 20 divided by, right, 1 by 5. Always write it this way whenever you have a denominator which is a fraction. Okay, so we have 10 to the power of plus 20, 10 to the power of minus 20, which will give me 10 to the power of 0 into 16. Division, when it comes to becomes multiplication, I have to reverse this, right? So we have a to the power of n into a to the power of m, which is equal to a to the power of n plus m. So this is 80. So many ampere. Okay, so this is your current answer. Now that about the direction. Direction of the current is simple, from B to A. It might be a surprise for few. It is opposite to the direction of the flow of current electron. Why is it so? There's a small reason, and I'll be talking about this in the future. So this is the direction of current, conventional current. This is the direction of electron. Okay. So why is it? We'll be understanding it in time. Okay. So this two are opposite. Just remember that, and everything else is just a matter of small calculation.